Today's video will mainly introduce you the function about how to upload your sample information to the system, which is necessary before you ship your samples to our lab. This video is only for Premade library project. The guide for other projects will be introduced in another video because the information we need for Premade library will be very different. You firstly need to find the project you would like to send the libraries. The project bar includes basic information such as quotation number and the contact detail for your account manager and technical support. Please do not hesitate to contact them if you have any issues when uploading the information or need any help. When you click the project bar, the drop-down page will list all batches created before, include batches you submitted already or uncompleted batches, marked by different status. You can continue to finish the editing of batches at any time you want. Now let's start from adding a new batch. This pop-up page is the important notes. Please make sure you have read all the notes, as sending sample without following the notes may lead to possible delay or, in the worst case, may damage your samples. Once you read the instruction, please click the Confirm button. On the sender information page, you need to provide the contact details, include email and your phone number. If the samples were shipped from a different location, you can click the drop-down box and select the correct address. The sample summary part requires some basic information of sample batches you would like to send to us. Please note, if your samples are not packaged in 1.5 ml or 2 ml tube, a tube transfer fee may apply. Please contact the technical support listed here for more details. We will arrange the library QC once the sample is received by our lab directly with our standard QC process. Please select Others and specify requirements if you have any. During the step 2, you could download the Excel template to fill in the Premade library information. We'll also prepare a short guide for you about how to fill in the table correctly. Here is some important notes for you. If you are sending import libraries to us, which include numbers of sub-libraries with different indexes, you should keep the same library in column B and insert different sub-library name and indexes information respectively. For example, the library pool L1 contains 5 sub-libraries S1 to S5 can be filled as shown on the screen. Moreover, the total data amount should be the data you want to sequence for the whole pool rather than for each sub-library. For example, if you want to sequence 10G data for S1 to S5, the total data amount for pool L1 is 50G, and 50 is the correct number you should fill into the table. Orientation we need for index 1 and index 2 was shown as diagram. Please check the index sequence carefully before you submit the table. Incorrect sequence may mix your data with other customers' data. After completed the essential information, you could save the Excel and upload from the button in the center of your screen. Then click Continue. The system will double-check if all information in the Excel table are correct. The failed row will be marked in the list with a reason. Click Save and Continue. It will process to next step with the successful rows. You can click Previous Step to re-upload the Excel if you need to modify the failed rows. After clicking Continue, you will be led to an overview page. The information is pre-filled based on the quotation information or the information you uploaded. You can modify the information quickly if needed, then click Save and Continue to the next step. We prepare a database including the most popular index combination. If the index you provided is not included here, or it is complementary reverse to the index in our database, it is recommended to check again. If you're confident about the index information, please click the Ignore and Continue. The next page is about the shipping information. Please select the transportation condition and the courier provider on this page. It will be helpful if you could fill in the tracking number on this page. It could help the sample collection team record the sample to the system quickly once they arrive. Please read and confirm the shipment checklist. It is very important to make sure your sample and project can be handled safely. The last step is the final review. Please check if all information is correct. The Continue will lead you to a print page. Please print this page and attach it to your package. The sample collection team will associate your sample to your contract based on the information on this sheet. Therefore, the receival of package without the sheet might be delayed. After this step, you have finished all the steps about uploading sample information in Customer Service System. If you go back to the Send Sample page, you will find the batch number under the contract and marked as submitted. This is about how to upload the library information for a Premade library project. Please feel free to contact your account manager or technical support if you have any issues.